Google's Veo3 model is now available inside of n8n, which means that the AI videos that you've maybe seen been blowing up on social media, like this one, or even this one.
Finally meeting Bigfoot Vlogs, my favorite vlogger in the wild. I never miss a episode.
Or even this cat.
Clubbing all night, BBL everywhere, can't wait.
Which are all being generated by Google's Veo3 model because of how realistic the videos can look. And I'm sure that many of you have seen this video of the rabbits hopping on the trampoline. And if you look in the comments, you can see that people don't even realize at first that these are made with AI. And this video has 25 million likes. And these videos can now be fully automated within n8n without having to deal with Google's $99 per month minimum price tag. And if you're not familiar yet with what n8n is it's very similar to these other technologies, Zapier and Make.com, which are automation tools. But as you can see, n8n has shot up recently in popularity because of how good the integrations with these new AI systems are. And the good news is that anyone can do it, even if you're a complete beginner and know nothing about AI or AI automation, because n8n is super simple and all you need to have to know is how to drag and drop things, and I'm going to walk you through this entire process. So the way this AI system works is it's pretty simple. It has two different parts. In the first part, we have the video ideas agent and logger. And you can see we have an agent that's going to come up with all the ideas for us for videos. It's going to log that idea into our Google Sheet. It's going to get another agent to come up with prompts for Google Veo3. That way it can turn those into video and we will have it logged and it will make a final video that looks something like this.
Welcome to my morning commute. Don't forget your snowshoes.
And the good news is that once you set this system up once within n8n, it's going to continue making these videos for you, and at the end of this video, I'm even going to show you a way that you'll be able to auto-publish them to any platform of your choice. And to show you guys an example, this channel right here on TikTok only has 9 videos posted, but you can see they already have 351,000 followers, and they get millions of views from every single video. So you can imagine how powerful this will be when you have it completely on autopilot, posting for you every single day or even every single hour. So if you have some extra time today, be sure to watch this video, and by the end of it, you'll know exactly what you can do to create your own viral channel that's completely automated using AI. Welcome in, guys. If you're new here, my name is Anthony and it's my mission to make AI as easy as possible for anybody out there who's willing to learn, because AI is the biggest up and coming skill that you can learn. And as you can see, we have a community with 773 members who are all interested in AI. And if you come over here to this classroom, these are all code that you can copy and paste into your n8n, and it's going to automate certain things for you, including the one that we're working on right now, which by the time I post this video will be completely done. And you could download this file right here and come into n8n, click these 3 dots, click import from file, and upload it just like that. That way you'll have this entire system without even having to lift a finger. So if you guys are looking to get access to these automation templates, prompts, and a bunch of other great things, join this community, because we almost have 1,000 members all across the world. Okay, so let's get right into it. The way you can build this AI system right here is you're going to start off with a schedule trigger. That's what I started with. And you could set this to anything you want. You could set it to every 10 minutes, every hour. I just did it every day for now, just for testing purposes, but that is completely up to you. And then we set up this AI agent right here. And we use 2 prompts. Don't worry, these will all be available in the community. You can copy and paste them. And this first prompt says, give me an idea about, and then you enter what you want the idea to be about. I said a snow yeti speaking to a camera and doing a vlog through his selfie stick. And then for the system message, this is available to copy and paste from the community because it's pretty long. And I'll read through a little bit just so you guys understand what's going on. And we're basically telling the AI that you're an AI designed to generate one immersive, realistic idea based on a user-provided topic. Your output must be formatted as a JSON array, single line, and follow all the rules below exactly. Rules: only return one idea at a time. The user will provide a key topic, example, urban farming, Arctic survival, street food in Vietnam. The idea must be under 13 words. describe an interesting and viral worthy moment, action, or event related to the provided topic, and it can be as surreal as you can get, and it doesn't have to be real world. And then you can read through the rest, but that's kind of covers the basis of what this does. And then we come over to here, which is our Google Sheet, which is going to log all the ideas that we come up with. So I already ran this a few times, so I just want to show you guys what this Google Sheet looks like. And this is the Google Sheet. So when ChatGPT comes up with the idea, it's going to be logged in the Google Sheet, as well as the caption. Production is going to be set to something like for production. And then we come back over to n8n, and we're going to set up this other AI agent right here. And what this agent is going to do is this agent is going to read that Google Sheet that we just had set up, and it's going to give us a Veo3 prompt for the idea that the previous AI provided us. So if you look over here at the output on the right, you can see it says, give me a Veo3 prompt for this idea. A snow yeti reveals daily mountain life with a selfie stick vlog. And then it says, this is the environment. That way it can be nice and visually appealing when we look at the video. Windswept, snowy peak, snow yeti holds a selfie stick, camera tracking, and comic realism. And then if we scroll down, you can see we have a system message as well. And this is basically telling the AI system prompt for Google Veo3 prompt agent. You are an AI agent that writes hyper-realistic cinematic video prompts for Google Veo3. Each prompt should describe a short, vivid selfie-style video clip featuring one unnamed character speaking or acting in a specific moment. You could read through, but it's just basically giving rules to the AI. That way it comes up with a really good response. And if we look at the output over here on the right side, you could see the output was a hulking, shaggy snow yeti with icy fur grins into a shaky selfie camera. His clawed paw gripping a rugged style selfie stick as powdery as snow swirls around him. His breath puffs visibly in the freezing air as he declares, "Welcome to my morning commute. Don't forget your snowshoes." And if you want to keep reading through, pause this video really quick. But I'm sure you guys could see that AI is super descriptive when it comes to coming up with these prompts for the Veo3 video agent. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Because if we had to sit down and write this, it would probably take us a couple hours to be that descriptive. But if we use AI and we can even automate it, comes up with these ideas super quick. So just like that, part 1 is now completely done. That's it for part 1. It's set up. If you ever want to, you can come in here and you could change this to whatever other animal you want or whatever other idea. And that's it for part 1. And now for the video creation, what we're using is a website called Fal AI, because what this does is it allows us to access Google Veo3 without having to pay $200 a month. So if we just search in here and we look up Google Veo3, you can see we have text to video Veo3 right here that's available for us to use. So what I did is I did an HTTP request node method post this URL, which you can get inside of the community. And then for the body, all we put is this right here, prompt JSON output. And this is all available in the community, so don't worry about having to memorize this at all. You can copy and paste it from the community. And then I added a very simple wait node. I set it to about 10 minutes. That way Google Veo3 has enough time to create this video and make it look really nice. And then once that video is created, we did another HTTP request node. This time we changed the method to get, and it's going to basically get that video that we just created. And the reason it's going to get that video is so it can log it onto that final Google Sheet that we had set up. So if we look over here, once it's done, you'll get this link and you can open it up. And it's going to show you the video that it created.
Welcome to my morning commute. Don't forget your snowshoes.
So like I said, that was a super easy walkthrough, guys. Now you should know exactly how to set this up. But if you don't want to do all that work and set these up one by one, like I said, you could just come over to the community, come over to this classroom page. You could scroll down right here, Veo3 within n8n. Click that resources, download it, and then come right into your n8n. And then click on these 3 dots, import from file. Find the one you just downloaded, open it up, and then you'll have it already set up for you. All you would have to do is click into this ideas agent and change this to whatever you want it to be. So you could say, give me an idea about an octopus. That's literally it. And then you can run it, and it's going to make those videos for you every single day. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions down below. And like I said, we are having a huge sale in the community where you can join for only $12 a month, which is extremely low. And this price will be going up to $49 a month once we hit 800 members. So the next few people will be able to get in here at a low price. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys.